In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Chrome full screen without F11. If you want to maximize your workspace for presentations, streaming, or simply to cut out distractions, Chrome's built-in menu gives you a fast way to go full screen without touching the keyboard. I'll walk you through it so you know exactly where to click and what to expect once you're in full screen. First, open Google Chrome. You can launch it from your taskbar, desktop, dock, or applications list, wherever you normally start it. Make sure it's the Chrome window you want to use, especially if you have multiple windows open so the right one goes full screen. Next, look to the top right corner of the Chrome window for the three vertical dots. This is the More menu. It sits just under the window's top edge near your profile picture or the puzzle piece extensions icon. If your window is very narrow, you might see fewer icons, but the three dots will still be there on the right. Click those three dots to open the menu. In the menu that appears, find the full screen control. It's typically shown as a small square or a set of diagonal arrows and is located next to the zoom controls. If you hover over it, you'll usually see a label like Enter Full Screen. Click that icon. As soon as you do, Chrome expands to fill the entire display. Your tabs, address bar, and bookmarks bar will hide, giving you a clean, uninterrupted view of the page. While you're in full screen, a quick tip. Move your mouse cursor to the very top edge of your screen to briefly reveal the tabs and toolbar when you need them. This is handy if you want to switch tabs or copy a link without leaving full screen mode entirely. When you're ready to exit full screen, you can move the cursor to the top again, click the three dots, and choose the same full screen icon to toggle it off. On some systems, a small exit full screen button may appear when you hover near the top. Clicking that will also return Chrome to its normal windowed view. If you prefer not to use the menu, pressing the escape key can work in many cases too. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, click the three dots, and use the full screen icon to toggle a distraction-free view anytime you need it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused browsing experience without relying on F11.